Hi guys and welcome to Artsy Nails Design. So I'm back with the design that I was just doing with the nail art pen, and it's just some roses. So I'm actually going to be adding some color to this. Dark blue around this section. It's going to be adding, filling in. It's going to be a little bit complicated getting this done. So you can see clearly what I'm doing. It's kind of black. I don't want it to be too strong, so get some of this paint off, and then I'm gonna get into this blue that I have here. So I'm gonna be doing this section. Blue. You'll finally see what I'm trying to do in a few. Hopefully I don't spoil it. And I'm going to be using some white. As well. Okay, my camera is acting up. I hope that you guys will actually bear with me and watch the video anyhow. So white, it's supposed to look faded. Like this. Actually, this part should have been done before, but I just got a grand idea. You might not know about me and my grand ideas, but you'll see what the grand idea is. So with the black striper, I'm going to be going in because I'm going to be making some trees. Okay. See if I can make this stem come down a bit without creating too much of a damage to the whole look. And here, you're not able to see, so let me come here. Add in some leaves here. And now I'm going to be making a bird. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a bird. So here we go. The body. It's a bit complicated for me to do this here. And this is not the brush that I need. Here we go. And a little beak, and let's make the oopsie daisy tail. Okay.